Well, we adjusted, there's a cable in the spring on the top of this general transmission. I think it's an RT400, but I can't really find any good instructions, so I think the belt was stretched a little, so we just tightened it. And you can see now it seems like you got more speeds and acts like it's working.
Because B, you put it.
Well, it's supposed to. I think you gotta hold it
right
a little.
there. It's moving right there.
Which is what we wanted. You see, reverse is quicker now. It's not as slow.
And it's fast. It's fast.
I can hear it because it kind of whines.
Yeah.
You know that tower where the CVT pulley?
It's like a whine, yeah.
There's a CVT pulley, you know, and I put WD. I think it's moving freer now. Yeah, we're hoping to get the pressure washer out because it's desperately needed on all these. So. I think that's it though. I mean, I don't want to mess with too many adjustments because then you go backwards.
Anyway, that's why we gotta drop that deck, don't we?
No, the blades you said were good on it. I'm almost tempted not to, but
leave it on until we just paint that.
Yeah, because I think that's the only painting area on it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, leave it here.
Yeah, leave it right there.
The beautiful warm weather. What do you mean? It's great out. If you're, well, no, I mean, it's still not that bad, but beautiful out, but, huh, what do we got here? Somebody enjoying the ride.